What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. So it's like midnight right now. I don't know why I looked at the demon clock, it doesn't even work, but I'm pretty sure it's like midnight right now. Travis just left. Travis, you guys saw him in some older videos, and I've done a lot of work with him on the cinematic videos when he ceramic coats cars for Ceramic Pro. So finally, we're finally doing my car. He just, you'll see a video on it. He just did Ceramic Pro over the Expel on the Jeep. So you'll see a video on that. The Jeep already had Ceramic Pro on it, had the 9H package, everything gold package. But they had waited to do the Expel, so they wanted to Ceramic Pro over the Expel. So that's done. You'll see a video on that, but look at the paint. Holy shit. Travis is amazing at what he does. He has so much talent with this stuff. He just makes paint look ridiculous. Like, I don't even want to drive the cars after Travis gets done with them. But that's why they have Ceramic Pro on them, because you can feel safe driving the vehicles and they're easy to maintain. But we finally started on the Sneaky Cat. So it's got one layer of the PPF vinyl Ceramic Pro on it. So Ceramic Pro makes a specific application for PPF, which is like Expel, Clear Bra, and for vinyl, which is like my wrap. So they've got a special one, it's PPF vinyl. So you can't really tell, but it's on there right now. Obviously my car just looks super clean, but there's one layer on there right now. Travis is gonna do a top coat on it, and then he's actually gonna polish it to make the satin pop a little more. So I'll try and show it in the video, in another video later this week when the car's done, but we're gonna polish it. Well, Travis is gonna polish it with Finesse from Americana. So he's gonna use Finesse from Americana, which is Americana's polishing compound. Americana has really good products. If you guys need, like, if you guys do your own detailing, you can definitely look up Americana Global. Use their products, it's really good. Their soap is amazing that I washed my HELLCAT with, and that I always wash our cars with now. Recently switched over. Their products are super good, so check them out. So he's actually going to put a polish. He's actually going to polish the vinyl later this week once everything's cured, and it'll bring a nice little sheen up on the satin vinyl. So it's going to look really good. Like I said, you can't really tell, but there is one layer on there right now. So I'm going to throw some cinematic clips in here so you guys can kind of just enjoy some music and enjoy watching Travis and his girlfriend Sky install the ceramic. They travel doing paint corrections, Ceramic Pro. Yeah, so that's what they do. They travel and do that now. Travis is from Amarillo, that's how we met him, but now he travels for Americana and for Ceramic Pro. So if you guys need any details done by him, or if you want to Ceramic Pro your car, make sure you hit up Travis. It's Texas Showshine is the actual name of his company. His name's Travis McNutt, though. You can tell him that David or Kevin sent you. He's a really awesome guy. Like I said, the paint, look at the paint on the Trackhawk. It looks ridiculous. And so this has Expel on it and Ceramic Pro now. So the Trackhawk's done. Look for a video from Kevin on that, but can't wait to finish my HELLCAT. We figured this would be a good time to do the HELLCAT because I'm making some changes to the power. So it's going to be in the garage for like another week or two. So it's a good time to do it. So really excited to show you guys this. And so now vinyl's already pretty easy to take care of compared to paint. But now when I wash it, it'll just fall off. I won't even have to scrub it unless there's some like sticky stuff from the road on there or from the tires. But for the most part, everything will just fall off once you double foam it. And like I said, it's going to bring a nice little sheen to the satin. Sometimes the satin can look faded or dirty, and when it is dirty, it looks really dirty, so it's really hard to keep the satin clean. If you have a satin hood or satin hood, something wrapped in satin, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't, go find someone that does. It's really hard to keep clean. So the Ceramic Pro, really easy to keep clean, so the maintenance is super easy on it, and it's going to add a level of sheen to the satin to make it just a little bit shinier, which will be nice. And it'll make the vinyl last a lot longer. There is a life expectancy with vinyl wraps, so the Ceramic Pro will definitely make it last longer. It won't make the vinyl fade as easily either, so that's nice. And Travis is actually going to throw Ceramic Pro on all the plastic trim, so it'll add a nice sheen to the plastic trim, because as you know, plastic trim fades out and looks like shit after a while, especially after you wash it a bunch of times if your car sits out in the sun. So that's going to do it for today's video. Enjoy these cinematic clips, and make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. Follow Travis, Texas Show Sign Detailing, and hit him up, Travis McKnight. He's your guy.